so. Hold them. Yeah? Yes, framed by Phoenix. See them here? And Phoenix is the #1 eye care place in Jamaica. How much location does Phoenix have? 5. Hear that good. I want to tell Aunty about the 5 location there. Hold on, make me talk. Portmore Mall, Portmore Pines. Right in the mall here to ILO and the bookstore, right? That's a #1. You have #2, shop #6, Mall Plaza, right? You have #3, right in a St. Anne's there, St. Anne's, right beside the cemetery. All right, that's how much. The 4th one is right in a Falmouth Trelawney Champions Mall, right beside the Supermed Pharmacy. Well, another one, let me see if anybody know. Port Maria right beside the Supermed Pharmacy. So Miss Phoenix have 5. And Mr. Wally Powner, Wally Powner, the out here wear glasses. We're going to have online glasses coming soon. So you can send in on a prescription. I want to support Miss Phoenix. And that's back to school time now. Storm come up that now, stop me picking them from learn. So what I have to do is make sure you send in on a prescription online and send on a family them at Jamaica to test out the children them eye, right? Wanna hear? And beside Miss Phoenix, we have Miss Birdie. Who eat Miss Birdie bun this Easter? Me not hear. Miss Birdie the #1 bun out. Who make Miss Birdie #1? No, me. Oh no, talk again. The Planka shop. Miss Birdie, Lothian, hold my phone good, make the people them in our life see me. I know text time now. Alright, who make Miss Birdie bun the #1 bun in Jamaica? The Planka Nation, you don't give me no praise. Me only bring it to you. So I said big up Miss Birdie, and guess what? We have some mini independence bun coming out them little bit and nice, and Aunty Donna will be promoting it on our live. Cause you know Aunty Donna the face of Miss Birdie. And we say big up Miss Birdie for take a girl from the gully side for them brand ambassador. We say Miss Birdie for get support. Miss Birdie for eat Birdie bun, Birdie biscuit, Birdie cornbread, Birdie rock bun, Birdie coconut bun, Birdie cinnamon roll, Birdie cream crackers, Birdie water loaf, every kind of loaf Birdie have. Me no want to eat no other bun but Miss Birdie. I would have lady that run a back along up her mouth in her Planka shop. I would have. Lady on your mouth long, so we don't want a Planka there with her mouth long, you know. Eh? Oh, shit. No, man, I want no one back me sleep on the phone there with her mouth long. We don't want no sad people here, and every Planka, we're happy, and we're festive. And we're nice. As me come, Miss one lady in a one pink t-shirt. She says, hey, so charm in there, big up yourself. Dylan mother, see ya. Big up Dylan mother, big up. I walk on the t-shirts and no stagnant in our world. I will say good over, we see one heap of people on my t-shirt. We say good over evil. What another one them there? Thank all I know who support Aunty Donna. I want to support all of the social media people them we're good over evil. See that Rasta bless beyond measures. I soon come out with the one heap of t-shirt them different. I'm a chain too. Why you not loyal to me? Yes, so in everything we have to give God thanks. For who there you can pray. Anybody there you can pray to, you know. Pastor Ellis will come in this evening when he leave work. You will pray? Alright, come right there so we can't let God out of this. Because we lock off one street down Merrick Boulevard and one little woman from Gully do that. Big up all of my sponsors them. Big up Miss Birdie, big up Miss Phoenix, big up Curves by Tina, the #1 plus size store in Jamaica, the online. Big up Ramesh, my nice clean manager out of Jamaica. Big up yourself. I want big up beautiful lashes. Big up on yourself. I want big up Dunn's Electrical for all your home care and your electrical from ground up. Big up Pauline Bailey, #1 in the world. Straight construction. If you don't build a house in an apartment, I want to furniture, I want to refurbish, I want to do anything. I want to call out Miss Bailey. Alright, big up Rushmore. The #1 wholesale in the mountains here in Jamaica. No way, oh Miss Debbie there, she there? I wonder if Miss Debbie there today, I don't see her. Big up Rushmore. Me forgot anybody because I don't remember. Maybe forgot anybody see big up down at Jamaica? Girls by Tina, Rushmore. Big up Brian nephew. Big up JPS.